you had this fantastic idea, and that's you just thinking, wow, it's going to look so good and everything, and pooh! You find yourself asking, how am I going to finish this? Everything was going so easy going and fast and cool and haha. But now I don't know how to proceed. The art's not evolving, the colors are not working together. The shadows don't look good. Hello champs, in this video we are going to talk about maybe the artwork that you imagine is a little bit harder to make than only imagining. So there is a process in between. There is a process called planning. There is a process called breaking down into smaller parts. And once you break down into smaller parts, you are able to understand clearly what is missing, what is happening good, what is not happening so good. Let's get into that. I want you to make this checklist of art fundamentals. It's going to be gesture, anatomy, gray levels, also means shadow and light, by the way, colors. Let's see, you can separate that last one for effects. A beautiful effects. Gorgeous effects. So in between all of this, there's going to be some that are going to lack, and there's some that are going to do fantastic. And in this artwork, I struggled to get into the let me check here, gray levels. Colors were good, but gray levels, I was like, I don't know if this should be brighter or darker, what I should do. And whenever you feel lost, after you have found which of the fundamentals you're lacking, of course, you gotta truly focus. What is my main objective? Oh, okay, and this objective is to make a scene that it's strong and it's action. Loads of things are going on. So I gotta make things showing up. And then I started noticing, okay, so hair in the back cannot be with so much fog. It gotta receive more attention, it gotta receive more contrast, because this is a scene full of action, full of emotion. And I wanted to show all of this emotion that I was talking about. Always focus on your number one purpose objective. And a second thing, which of the art fundamentals did you get lost? Was everything going good in the sketch phase, but then you start painting and it went bad? That's a good flag. That's a yellow flag telling you, hey, maybe the colors you selected are not good. Maybe you can change a little bit more the colors. It does not mean you're a failure. It does not mean you are horrible. And it does not mean anything extreme. It just means, hey, maybe you should be changing a little bit. Maybe you should be seeing things by a different perspective. Yes, perspective. I forgot. In the art fundamentals list that I just told you, add perspective, because this is so important, like so important. Extra important. So there is gesture, anatomy, perspective, gray level, shadows and light, colors and effects. Always check which one you're missing, which one you're doing bad, which one you started doing and things went south and things went, it's going down for real. You gotta always be conscious about what you're drawing, because this probably have already happened to you. Tell me in the comments if this already happened to you. You are drawing, everything is going fantastic, you are feeling that good energy, you're like, heck yeah, I love drawing, haha. And then you just take a look at your artwork and you go like, oh, this doesn't really look that good. What happened here? This have already happened to me many times, and probably with you. And what I want to tell you is that maybe in the middle of the process, you are not analyzing, you are not having the full picture into that and noticing what happened here. And it's fine. Sometimes we do get distracted. Sometimes we are just following the flow and everything. It's all good. So just remember, in the middle of your artwork, to take a step away, look far away and see if that's really what you wanted, if you're going the right direction or if you should change a little bit. Something that tends to happen a lot with us artists is to think that no adjustments, but always having a step. That's a great tip. Always having a step just to adjust everything is fantastic. Like, I will adjust everything on the sketch phase, or I will adjust everything on the color phase, or I will adjust everything on the shadows and light phase. Always have adjustment phases. This is going to help you so much, champ. A lot, loads. And you're going to get happier with your art, you're going to feel more accomplished, you're going to feel like, that's it, I did that, I'm great, I'm doing great, that's fantastic. So in this artwork, my biggest challenge was trying to find who is dark, who is bright, who is high saturation, who is low saturation. And then once I found it, I was like, oh, okay, everyone go crazy. And I made everything go crazy. Take your time to always analyze where's going to be the strongest color, where is going to be the weakest color, where nothing's going to be strong, where everything's going to be soft and gentle. Because our artwork cannot be only through strong and strength and contrast and high saturated colors and everything like that. No, we gotta have our moments to, hey, maybe here, closer to gray levels, closer to gray, middle gray tones, closer to not high saturation, like in the middle of the face, in the forehead. I did everything closer to grayish tones. Because this is a way for me to control, to create balance in my piece and have peace. To have peace on that. My one piece is to have peace, where every single kingdom in my artwork is just living happy in each one in their own way. That's it. That's the best way possible. And if you're looking to do some action pieces like this one, I need to give you a great tip about movement. Whenever you're drawing, I want you to imagine the scene that you're drawing like a small GIF or as a movie scene. I want you to imagine it as if it was happening in your mind. Not a static image, but like it's moving. So in my case, I imagine the hair is moving. The gold accessories in the ears, the earrings, they are moving. The blood in the mouth, it's flying because the character is with so much motion that everything's flying, flying, flying. All of those things is something that we gotta think of. And if you're asking yourself, how do I find the right direction that things are going to move? You just gotta feel that. You just gotta feel that. That's it. Leave a like, subscribe. No. No, you don't just feel it. It's also about, hey, what is the movement that my character is doing? And then you try to do the movement yourself. Well, if you're drawing a not safe for work artwork, I don't recommend it. But, but if you're just drawing an action scene, try to do the movement and you're gonna notice, hey, my hair is going to have a delay on moving this way. And then it's going to chum, 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 a little movement after it. Or, oh, my earrings are going to go in that direction and then stop and then go back. All of those things. Try to imagine or just do it yourself. The creator of Studio Ghibli, his animations are so incredible because he's one of the few people that create animation by observing reality, not like those common animes today that they don't really observe people. They just go like, yeah, that's the story. No, I'm not observing reality. No, who cares about reality? That's why he catches so much small movements and small moments that there is nature flowing and flying, or people dressed and clothes are having a small movement and everything like that, or the food looking so delicious, damn, the movement. Love those movies. Amazing. Miyazaki, amazing animation. So pretty much observe reality. It's a simple tip, but few people do it. Why not observe reality even more? And champs, we are in our week of Hungry Art Contest, art tournament. I'm going to upload a video soon about the art tournament and it's going to be fantastic. You guys gonna love it. Like, I'm so excited for it. The battles happen on my Instagram, but they are happening also on YouTube, the recorded with drama version. Soon on YouTube, soon. Just be patient, please. And if you want to learn art with me, like my style, link in the description for my full art course. And if you want to be even closer to me, my 1-year feedback on your art, where I record every single week a feedback for you, a 15 minutes video of feedback specifically on your art. Champs, you're amazing. Have a great day, have a great night. All the love, all the peace. You're amazing. Bye-bye.